Hey guys, Sachin here. Welcome to my channel, and today I'm gonna review my lead gen secret. This is 2021, so I'm gonna be doing a review for this program which has launched in I guess 2019, and it's still around here. So what I'm gonna be sharing with you is this program still working in 2021. That is what I'm gonna be reviewing. Now I'm really a new guy in this program. I've just bought it 20 days ago. On 30th of March I bought it, and today is 20th of April. So I'm going to be showing you my results. I'm going to be sharing with you the pros and cons of this product, and I'm going to be doing a really serious testing about this product for a few months. Even if it doesn't work for me, I'm still going to be doing testing for this program for few months, okay, because I really wanted to know is this program really working or not, okay. And then I'm going to be doing 4 to 5 videos on like an update on how it's working right now, how many leads I have got, and how much, if I have made some money or not. I'm going to be showing you everything, okay. So there is nothing that I'm going to be hiding for you, okay, because the truth is I really wanted to share with people that I've seen a lot of reviews for this program. A lot of positives, some of them are negatives. So I thought, let me test it myself. It's working for me. Then I'm going to be giving you an honest opinion whether you should join it or not. Okay, so let's start. So what is basically my lead gen secrets? It's basically a system where these guys are going to be giving you a self-hosted autoresponder. Also, they're going to be giving you 100 leads per day. They are just going to be dropped in to your email platform. And what you can do is you can just simply go to this affiliate tab. You can they have got this promo tools. You can just click this button, and you can just select the leads that you want to send out emails. You can come down over here and you can select perfect timing, and you can send out email. Now, for this example, I have just sent out emails 1 hour ago, so I have to still wait for 22 hours to send my next email. But my point here is in a nutshell, it's a great system in my opinion. If it's really working, it's an absolute best system ever invented for an affiliate marketing. Okay, so yeah, you can send out emails over here. So let me show you my results. Okay, so I'm not going to waste a lot of your time. I'm just going to go and show you the results. So I've started on 30th of March, and on the 6th of April I got my first sale. Now this is from the mailing system, okay, from this mailing system. Okay, I didn't promote it through my other sources like my YouTube channel, my get response list. No, I'm just testing this system. I'm just testing this leads. Okay, so I got one sale from here. And then what I'm going to be doing over here is showing you the stats of the emails that I have sent over here. Now the crazy thing is the open rate and the CTR are really high. Okay, but one of the emails which I sent out on maybe 5th or 6th, it was for a ClickBank product, just to test out this tracking system. On that day, the ClickBank stats and these stats were totally different. I don't know what happened, but there were a huge amount of clicks on ClickBank, like 100 clicks, and there was no sales on ClickBank. So I was a bit worried. So what I thought is, let's just promote this offer for at least 1 month or maybe 2 months. Okay, now if you can get it for $30 per month, $30 per month, it's not a big deal for me, at least. Okay, maybe it's a big deal for you, but you can decide for yourself. But I would test it for at least 2 months, so that I can give you an really good decision whether you want to go with this program or not. Okay, because with 2 months time, I'm going to be at least like 12,000 leads, something like that, because I have already got a sale. So I'm going to be getting 200 leads per day. Okay, so 200 into 2 months, what is that? About 10,000. Okay, so with 10,000 leads into my belt and I'm mailing them every single day, then I could give you a good decision on whether you want to join it or not. Okay, now you can see over here, today I'm at 3,600 leads. Just sent out an email. Yesterday this was an email. Okay, it's got 77 click and no sales, which is surprising, but still I'm testing it. Okay, I'm not come to a conclusion. I'm testing it. Okay, so eventually a lot of reviews that I've seen, in that a lot of people have got results after first month. Maybe after you get 3,000 leads, maybe after you get 4,000 leads, then the sales start pouring in. Okay, now I don't know about me, but I'm still testing the system. Now let me come to the pros and cons. Okay, let me come to cons. Okay, stats are unusual. You can verify it with your own tracker, but they don't allow you to track the clicks. Okay, if you put in the ClickMagick tracker with your affiliate link, they're going to be taking it down and they're going to be putting your raw affiliate link like this, because they don't want to put in any tracker into the system. This is one con. Another con is, of course, the leads are really cold. They don't know you. It can be a CAN spam act where people have not given you permission, but still you are mailing them. Okay. The next thing is ClickBank has officially warned to promote their products. I mean, they have told that you can't promote ClickBank products with a CAN spam act leads. Okay, so these leads, it's risky to promote ClickBank products. Of course, a lot of people have got results, but still you need to be really on the safer side. Okay, the next thing which I thought about as a con, and maybe this could be the last one, is the swipe. Now I have bought the first front-end product, as well as I have got OTO 1. Okay, there is only one OTO. Now the crazy thing is, when you buy the front end, you're going to be redirected to the OTO 1 as always, and at that moment the price for the OTO 1 is thus $29. But if you skip it that time, and then if you come over here to buy master email swipes through this dashboard afterwards, after some days, some time, then the price is going to be $59. You're almost paying double the money. Okay, which is also a con. Okay, so make sure, if you can afford, if you don't want to write your own email swipes, make sure to buy this OTO 1 at the same time when you buy the front end. Okay, that way you would save $30. All right. The next thing, and it is, to be really honest, this is a con, maybe the last con. The swipes are super spammy. So really spammy swipes. I would rather recommend that these swipes which you are going to be getting with the front end are good. They are good, but the swipes which these are really good swipes with the good content, but the swipes which you're going to be getting with this master email swipes are really spammy. They have got 30 email swipes, but at the end of the day, these are working, so I can't say anything. Okay, these are working, these are getting open rate, click-through rates at a really high level, so can't complain about it. Okay, now coming to the pros of this. Now, I'm an affiliate marketer for like 4 to 5 years, and I know for a fact what does lead cost. Okay, even if you go and buy traffic for like 50 cents per click, and if you have to have a good opt-in page, you would be really surprised nowadays if you get a 40 50% up opt-in rate, and that is a good opt-in rate in my opinion. So to get 100 leads, you need to buy like 200 to 250 clicks, okay, to get 100 leads, and that would cost you $1 per lead, maybe $1 plus 25, 1.25 per lead, something like that. Okay, so the cost per lead is really high. If you want to get 100 leads, you need to spend around that kind of money. So you would get one lead for $1. Okay, in that way, you are getting 200 leads for just $30. 200 leads every single day for $30 a month, which is absolutely crazy. Okay, now another thing is, if you are asking me that these leads are cold leads, these leads don't know you, let me tell you, my friend, even if you buy traffic, that people are also cold. That people don't know you. Okay, they just have signed up to your opt-in page, they're giving you permission, but still they don't know you. You still have to maintain a good relationship with your permission-based leads also. So why don't do that thing over here? Okay, that is something I thought as a pro feature. Okay, so you have to build relationship, you have to send good content, you have to send like a YouTube video like this one, and see how the people are responding. So you have to build relationship over permission based in your permission based leads as well as this lead. So in my opinion, this is a bit harder, not so much harder that you are thinking, because those leads are also cold leads, even if they have given you permission to email them. Okay, another thing is autoresponder. My God, that is a huge hurdle. Nowadays, if you guys are having an issue with your Weber response, whatever autoresponder you're using, and you try to upload your leads to another autoresponder like a self-hosted autoresponder, MailyWiz, trust me, it can cost you a lot of money, and that too, most of the time your emails are landing in spam. Okay, trust me on this. Okay, excuse me. So to have a self-hosted autoresponder itself would cost you a lot of money, a lot of headache. Okay, so why don't leave it with the masters? Okay, why don't leave it with the people who are good at it? Okay, so these guys are giving you this autoresponder within the system, so you just need to plug in your emails and send out. That's it. So this is in a nutshell a really 3 clicks, 4 clicks push button software, which I would say. Okay, excuse me. So in my opinion, it's good to try. I'm just testing it. Let's see after 1 month what are the results. So right now it's nothing like something to be impressed with. It's just one sale over here, and I am at, what is that, 3,400, something like that. What is that? Okay, 3,600 leads. Right now I have got just one sale, so I'm waiting for the next one. Let me see. I'm gonna be testing it for like maybe 2 months, but after 2 months, if I see something like it's not getting me some good results, then maybe there is something surprising in it. Okay, so I'm gonna be making some few more videos over the period of time. This would be the update number 1, then update number 2, update number 3. Maybe after 1 month I would come back with another video with sharing with you the results. Let's see how it goes, but at least I'm going to be making like 4 to 5 videos before I make a really good decision to stick with this program or not. Okay, so thanks so much for watching my video. I'm not recommending to enroll yourself right now. I'm just giving you an update. Okay, this is just an update. Okay, you decide for yourself. Any questions you can feel free to comment below. You can connect with me on Facebook if you have any questions. Send me a message there, and see you there in my next update to review video for my lead gen secrets. Thank you and have a great day. Bye bye.